In today's video, we're going to show you how to reset your Precor treadmill. If your machine's acting up or showing an error, a reset might be all you need to get things running smoothly again. So let's jump in. The first method is just a basic power reset. Start by taking out the safety key from the console. Make sure the treadmill is at 0 speed and 0 incline. If there's an error on the screen or it's frozen, unplug the treadmill from the wall. Wait about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in. This kind of reset usually clears up small glitches or temporary issues that happen from time to time. If that doesn't do the trick, there's a deeper reset you can try through the console. Press and hold the stop button, then press the enter button 3 times. That should take you into the error log menu. Use the up and down arrows to scroll through any stored errors. To clear the log, press and hold the quick start button for about 4 seconds. You'll see a message confirming it's been cleared. This is helpful if your treadmill keeps showing the same error or acting weird even after a power reset. If the problem still isn't fixed, you can also check for loose cables around the motor area or under the console, since poor connections can trigger repeated error codes. Another thing you can do is make sure the treadmill is on a stable surface and not wobbling, because unstable placement sometimes causes sensors to misread. After you finish all these steps, try starting the treadmill again to see if the issue is gone. In most cases, one of these resets will solve the problem and get your Precor running smoothly again.